This is why your Chevy Colorado's heater just won't warm up, stuck with chilly air. Here's what you need to know fast. First, check the basics. Is your coolant level low? Your heater needs coolant flowing to work right. Top it off if needed. Next, look at your thermostat. If it's stuck open, your engine won't get warm enough to heat the air. Sometimes, a faulty thermostat is the real problem. Still cold? Your heater core might be clogged. That's a small radiator behind your dash. If it's blocked, no warm air can come through. You might notice a sweet smell, wet floor, or foggy windows. These are clues your heater core could be leaking. Don't forget the blend door actuator. It controls whether hot or cold air comes out. If it's broken, you'll get the wrong temperature, no matter what. If you're not comfortable fixing these yourself, visit a mechanic. They can quickly spot if it's the coolant, thermostat, heater core, or actuator. So, if your Chevy Colorado's heater isn't working, check these common issues first. A little know-how can warm things up fast and keep you comfortable on the road.